Hey everyone, Alyssa here at Sipkens Nurseries, and it is always an exciting day when the field gets planted. So we're planting two different areas today. We have the shade structure area, which is just behind me here, and that is for perennials that cannot tolerate the full sun. So some perennials that need to grow in a little bit more of a shady or filtered shade location. And then you can see here behind me also the black irrigation hoses. We're just laying that out. Also, to keep these perennials really well watered, what we do is we grow these in the field, size them up really well, and then we split them again in the fall for our numbers for next year. So all homegrown here at Sipkens Nurseries, as well as we have another area in the front that we are also planting up with perennials in the front field that can handle full sun, things like daylilies. And it's also really exciting. It's all hands on deck here at Sipkens, and this is how we grow for you.